Dear students, hope you are all in a good state of mind and cheer. Today we are presenting a topic on mathematics for students of class 5. The students, those who are preparing for Odisha Adarsha Vidyalaya test 2025, they will be benefited. So they will get these questions to practice at home. So we have presented here 5 sample questions on mathematics for your easy understanding and to develop your mathematical skill to appear at the examinations. So let's solve the 5 questions that have been 5 questions that have been displayed for you. So we have noted 5 questions. Let's read the first one. The product of two numbers is 65. So, dear students, please remember whenever you read the questions, make it fragmented, make it separated so that it will be easy to understand and you can easily get the clue how to solve the problem. So, the product of two numbers is 55. Find the SCF, the first part, and LCM, the LCM of the two numbers. So, solution. So, what is giving? The product of two numbers is giving 65. So, first find out the prime factors of 65. So, now you see 65, the lowest prime number is 2. So, it's not divisible by 2. Then, the factors of 65 not divisible by 3, not divisible by 4, and it is divisible by 5. 5 divides 65, the remainder is 13. And 13 divides 13 is 1. So 1 is not a prime number and 1 is a common factor to all numbers. So let us write. So now we got two numbers 5 and 13. So here 5 and 13 both are prime numbers. Okay. So both are prime numbers. You know a prime number has two factors, 1 and the number itself. Okay. So the prime factors 5 equal 1 into 5. So 13 equal 1 into 13. So in both the numbers, 1 is the common factor. So the highest common factor is 1. And LCM, so the product is 5 into 13, 5 into 13 and 1 you see, that is 65. So the product of two prime numbers is 65. When the two numbers are prime, they are called co-prime. Their SCF is 1, always 1, and their LCM is equal to their product. Please remember. And you please remember this formula. You can solve any other problem. If two numbers are given, the product of their SCF and LCM is equal to the product of the two numbers, the product of the first number and the second number. This is the formula to please remember. So come to the question number 2. The perimeter of a rectangle is 24 centimeter. Okay. So here the keyword is perimeter. And its length is greater by 4 semi. This is another point. 4 semi than its breadth. You know, length is greater and breadth is shorter. So okay. So find the area of the rectangle. To find out the area of the rectangle, we have to find out the length and the breadth. Okay. So let us solve it. So we have drawn a rectangle for you named A, B, C, D. So you see AB is the length and BC the breadth. So AB is equal to BC, opposite sides are equal. So BC is equal to AD. Now perimeter means the sum of 4 sides. So you see perimeter is equal to length plus length, length plus length, and breadth plus breadth, breadth plus breadth. So now we got L plus L, 2L, twice L, plus twice breadth. So let us take 2 common, 2 into L plus B. So sum of length plus breadth, twice of the sum of length plus breadth. That is the formula to find out the perimeter. So perimeter is already given. So as per our question, twice length plus breadth is equal to 24. So length plus breadth will be 24 by 2 plus 12. Why? The 2 is multiplied on the left hand side, and if it is transferred, if it is changed to the right hand side, so 2 is divided here. Now length plus breadth is equal to 12. So you, as per the question, L means length is greater by 4 cm. Okay. If one is longer and another is shorter, their difference will be 4. So if this line is 12 and this line is 4, and this line is 12, this is 12, and this line is shorter by this, so it will be 8. So this is not necessary for you. So you see, the length plus breadth is equal to 12 and length minus breadth is equal to 4. Okay. Now you add it. Adding this, we get, so length length plus length, so twice length is equal to 16. So length is equal to 16 by 2, 8. Okay. So now you see, length minus breadth is equal to 4, because length is greater by 4. Length minus breadth is equal to 4. Okay. So adding it, we got length is equal to 8 cm and the breadth is 4 cm less. So 8 minus 4 is 4 cm. Okay. Now we got length is equal to 8 cm and the breadth is equal to 4 cm. So area is equal to length into breadth, that is 8 into 4, 32 square centimeter. Okay. So this is your length, equal to 12 cm. Okay. And this is L, length, and this is breadth, and it is greater by 4 cm. Total is 12. So now it will be 8. Now length is 8. Okay. Now length is 8 cm, and what is the breadth? How can you find out the breadth? Okay. So the two lines will be equal. The sum of the two lines will be 8. So one line means the one breadth will be 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. That will be 4 cm. So this is for your understanding. Okay. So now we got the answer, 32 square centimeter. Next come to, what fraction of a day is 6 hours? You know, a day is equal to 24 hours. A day is 24 hours. What fractions? So make a rectangle and put an interrogative mark. This is not given, this is not known. This fraction of 24, because 24 hours, that fraction of 24 is equal to 6 hours. So now, so the fraction will be 6 hours, 6 by 24, because 24 is multiplied on this side. It is carried over to that side. So 64 by 24, 6 by 24 will 1 by 4. So the fraction is 1 by 4. Now let us come to the next question. In a triangle, two sides are equal. When the angle formed by them is 40. This is important. Angle formed by them is 40 degree. Find the measures of other two angles. So look at here. A triangle ABC is done for you. Okay. So you see, AB is equal to AC. So two sides are equal. Means AB is equal to AC. So we have written AB is equal to AC. Okay. And the angle formed by them is angle A. A is the common vertex. So the measure of the angle A is 40 degree as per our question. And we know the sum of the measures of three angles in a triangle is equal to angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now you delete 40 degree, so we can get the sum of measures of angle B plus angle C is 140 degree because subtracting 40 degree from the total. Okay. Now you see when two sides are equal, it is very important that angle B is equal to angle C. The measure of angle B, the measure of angle B is equal to the measure of angle C. So the measure of angle B is equal to measure of angle C. So that will be each angle is equal. Okay, so 140 by 2 is 7 degree. So here it is 70 degree and it is also 70. So please practice at home. Then come to the question number 5. Complete the series. So series means one kind of arrangement, and that arrangement is based on a logic or rule. So first try to find out the rule basing on which that series has been developed or constructed or framed. Okay. So now you please write down the letters. So English letters are given E, G, J, L. Then what is next? The question is this. So we have to find out the logic from this arrangement. Now you write down all the capital letters E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Up to L, the letters are given. Okay. Now you see between E and G, F is deleted. Okay. One letter is deleted. Between G and H, G and J, between G and J, two letters H and I are deleted. Okay, are removed. Then you see between J and L, one letter is deleted. So the series is 1, 2, 1. Then 1, 2, 1. Then two letters should be deleted. So let us delete. So L, M, N, you delete it. M, N, two letters. Then what is here? L, M, N, O. Okay? So here answer is O. So this is very simple, but you have to find out the logic behind the series. Hope you have understood or you have got the basic idea of these problems, how to solve these problems, and these kind of problems are likely to be set in the examinations. I have developed all these questions out of my experiences that I exercised in an organization. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you like, you may subscribe our channel because shortly we are going to upload another video of mathematics series for number 4. Thank you all for watching.